Real quick, I'm going to show you how I installed this Upart Kinky Straight wig. Yes, it's a wig. Hit that subscribe button and tap in. Okay, so I love a kinky straight U-part wig. This is like the most beautiful texture if you're a natural gal and you just know you want to put light heat but not too much heat on your hair. First of all, I've had this wig for at least 4 years and it's still very dense, very much like exactly how when I bought it. Literally the best investment I ever made. The hair is brushed out properly. Let's install it. First of all, do not come for me in these comments. I already know I look crazy, okay? I put a little bit of heat on my hair after washing it, like lightly blew it out. But this is a protective style for me, so I didn't do any flat ironing. Now, when it comes to the braiding, I know this hair is gonna be fluffy, so I went for like, you know, medium-sized braids, didn't go too intricate. And then I like to pin them down with a little bit of a bobby pin towards the back. If this was like a lace front or a bone straight texture, I would do smaller braids, but it ain't that serious. When you get a U-part wig, it's normally going to have a clamp here for the center, some front clamps on both sides. You can open all the clamps, little combs. Two right here that go around the ear, one in the back at the base, and then of course the little bungee strands so you can make it fit as tight as you want on your head. I like mine to be kind of snug, so I'm going to put the little bungee straps into the wig like this. I like it to be kind of tight. And then the same thing over here. Put it kind of snug. See? That's how it goes on, just like that. A little snug. Put this baby on. So basically, I always start at the center. You can see where you need to place the comb here and close it. Real easy. And then from there, I go on this side. Place the comb here, snug it back, close it. Place the comb. This one wasn't open yet. And close it. And then do the same thing on this side. Kind of lift it and pull it forward. Open the comb. Place it. Close it. Make sure nothing feels like it's pulling, so you don't have to worry about it like taking your hair out, which can happen with like any kind of clip-ins. You have to be careful not to have too much tension on your hair. So there we go. Make sure you feel no tension. So it's safe and it's a protective style, not something that's going to cause breakage. This one still feels a little, there we go. Less tugging now. And then the last one is this one under the back by the bungee cords. Just close that one. Let's go ahead and style this baby middle part style. I left these little pieces out right here. Just gonna pass some heat across these little babies. You could leave out more hair in the front if you want to. I never feel the need to, but if you want to, you can kind of like pull a little bit more of your baby hairs out the front. So when you're flat ironing your U-part wig, you still want to use a heat protectant. It is a wig, but it is human hair. So the way that you keep it protected, and like I've had this for 4 years and it still looks good, is because I use a heat protectant. In order for you to get like a really nice, smooth flat iron, you always want to use a fine tooth comb as a guide to kind of smooth the hair as you're flat ironing it. I have my flat iron set to 400 degrees. This is the T3 flat iron, which is one of the best in my opinion. And then of course you have to do the baby hairs. Edge factor is one of my favorites just for the baby hairs because, you know, it stays in place really well and I never have to worry about it like flaking or like turning white. If you know me, then you know I take my baby hairs very serious. I like them to lay cute, you know, with a little curl, and that just sets off the whole look for me. Okay, so the U part is fully installed and styled. You can see that I went for like a little kind of wavy texture. I think it just looks more natural like that. And blended my natural hair with it, left a few baby hairs out, and that is pretty much it. So this styling on this hair usually lasts me about a week, and then I can just kind of brush it, maintain it, add some shine to it, and that's pretty much it. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. I got you with the hair tutorials, makeup tutorials, and I'll see you next time.